Om Swastiastu. Namo Buddhaya, my peace and blessing be upon us all. Honorable President Prabowo Subianto, honorable guests, beloved teacher, my dear friends, and all prospective children of Sekolah Rakyat. I stand here as a child of Sekolah Rakyat Bali. I come from a simple family, but today I stand with courage because my country has opened a door for children like me. In Sekolah Rakyat, I learned that poverty is not the end of my story. A small house does not mean a small dream. A poor child only needs one thing, a chance. Today, I'm proud to be Indonesian. Under President Prabowo Subianto, Indonesia stands tall before the world. Our president built friendship with world leader. Indonesia is respected. Indonesia is heard. Indonesia stands equals with other nations. From Bali, I learned tolerance. Here, gamelan, prayers, azan, and church bell live under the same sky. We are different, but we share one heart. Indonesia. In Bali, we know Tatwamasi. I am you, and you are me. Your pain is my pain. Your hope is my hope. This is Bhinneka Tunggal Ika. Through Sekolah Rakyat, children who were once unseen are now being seen. Children who were once left behind are now being lifted up. Thank you, President Prabowo Subianto. Thank you for giving us school, food, shelters, teachers, and hope. Thank you for showing that Indonesian futures belong to every child. I promise from this school and from this young heart, I will study hard, I will respect difference, I will love my country, and one day I will help Indonesia stand even higher. From Bali, we rise for our parents, for President Prabowo, for Indonesia. Thank you. Om Santi 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 Om. Hormat gerak.